Sauna Guide to Wood-Burning Stove Maintenance. There are many things to consider with wood-burning stove maintenance. It may sound overwhelming because wood may seem like a lot of work, but it really isn't. In fact, these wood-burning stoves are easy to maintain and only require a deep clean once a year. As you probably already know, the advantage of choosing a wood-burning stove versus an electric stove is that it obviously doesn't require any electricity. This means you can put your sauna anywhere you want, as long as it is outdoors and the ground is level, without needing to bring in an electrician for installation, nor do you need to worry about increasing your electricity bill. Types of wood-burning stoves. The best-known brands for wood-burning stoves are Harvia and Hume. An extremely popular model for smaller saunas is the Harvia M3 wood-burning stove, as it boasts an efficient heat system with even air circulation. You can also add a chimney kit and premium sauna accessories like a bucket, ladle, and a thermometer/hygrometer package. A great option for a larger sauna is the Hume Hive Wood LS17. This wood-burning stove looks chic and minimalist yet can hold 287 pounds of stones. This wood-burning stove is also designed to heat a 283 to 565 cubic feet sauna. Now you might want your wood chamber to be on the outside of your sauna. The Harvia M3 SL wood-burning stove is a great option for you. What's super cool about this wood-burning stove is that while another sauna goer is inside, another can cook food over the flames or just watch the fire burn behind the cast iron framed glass door. Perhaps you want a wood-fired stove with a water tank, then the Harvia 20 ES wood-burning stove is an excellent choice. This wood-burning stove model comes with a 20-liter water tank on the front that heats up the water while the stove is heating, and this is a wonderful feature if you want to make steam. How to install your wood-burning stove? First, you want to get yourself a good chimney kit. The best chimney kits to invest in are the Hume or Harvia models. Why is this important? A chimney kit lets you properly vent your sauna through the top, protecting you from hazardous smoke or gases. It also helps you maintain a properly functioning heater. Directions for wood-burning stove maintenance. Your sauna heater is the literal heart of your sauna. Without it, you wouldn't be able to enjoy any of the benefits that saunas offer, not to mention it wouldn't get hot. However, with the heater being the heart of the operation, you have to ensure it gets an annual inspection. This goes for both wood-burning and electric heaters. Step 1. Clean stones and remove debris. To start, it's recommended that the stones in the heater are restacked, inspected, and cleaned annually. Step 2. Inspection. The next step is to inspect your heater and all its components. In order to do this most efficiently, you want to wait until you put your stones back in the heater. Step 3. Restack the stones. Now that you have cleaned and checked your stones and the heater's parts, it's time to start restacking your stones. It's important that the stones are stacked efficiently, which means stacking them so that air can circulate between them, which creates the best steam. Wood-burning saunas are worth the investment as they won't break the bank after installation because no electricity is required. You can place it anywhere outside, as your sauna doesn't need to be hooked up to a power source. The biggest health benefit a wood-burning stove can offer is that it efficiently heats up your core temperature, increasing sweating and blood flow, removing toxins from your body, and relieving muscle tension. If you want to learn more about wood-burning stove maintenance or discover the best wood-burning stoves, browse our extensive selection. If you have any additional questions about wood-burning stoves, feel free to reach out to our helpful team.